Hello everybody. This project today is going to be a large ambrosia and spalted maple bowl. I'm using my Nova Outrigger on this particular project. So this block of wood is about 4 inches on the far side and about 5 inches on this side that I'm drawing on here. And I'm going to be using my power plane to knock some of that off. So I'm a little Bosch plane here, and I'm doing this so I don't get a constant ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk on this piece of wood as I put it on the lathe. So here I've added the faceplate and about to screw it down. Later on I decided to use a faceplate that actually fit the lathe. Great thing about the Nova Galaxi is you're able to turn it in a 360-degree swing. Here I've got it at 90 degrees. The regular swing on this lathe is 8 inches from the spindle to the bed for a total of 16 inches. So this block of wood is actually about 17.5 inches wide. So here I'm just doing a facing cut, trying to get it smooth so I can crank up the RPM. So here's some of that ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk that I was trying to avoid. So here I'm just trying to knock off the corner. And you notice I'm really not moving my hands. I'm really using my left hand there as a pivot point and my body to pull the bowl gouge around. You'll notice through this video I'm using different bowl gouges. They're all 5/8 inch bowl gouges. And I do that so I don't have to sharpen. I just sharpen them all at the beginning and then just swap the gouges as I'm going through a project. So once I get this all nice and round, I'll be able to crank up the speed and make it go a little faster. Here I'm using a diamond parting tool in order to make a tenon so that I can put my chuck onto the back of this bowl. This is the bottom of the bowl. So now I've got it pretty well rounded here, and I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. Again, the thing I really like about this Nova lathe is its this ability to swivel. And here I've got it on the chuck, and now I'm going to be taking off that faceplate. Love this piece of wood. It's got beautiful ambrosia and spalting in it, which makes it unique. You usually have one or the other. And certainly I love the size of this. It's not too often I come across a piece of wood that's this big. So here I'm starting to carve out the inside of the bowl. Again, you'll notice I'm really moving my body, not as much my hands. You get much more control if you turn this way versus trying to slide your hands across the tool rest. So this piece of wood is very fresh. It was cut this week, and I went to put some anchor seal on it, and right now I'm just taking off that sharp edge so that it doesn't crack in the drying process. And here I'm using a negative rake scraper just to clean it up a little bit. Since this piece of wood is so wet, what I really need to do is let it dry. And in order to do that, I put some anchor seal on the end grain, and then I'm going to put it in a paper bag with the wet shavings and let it dry for about a year. So this is called the first turning, and in a year from now it'll be the second turning. During the drying process it will go oval. and then once it's turned the second time, you can actually turn the oval out of the bowl in order to get a very nice bowl. So there you go. Hope you liked the project. This was a short and sweet one. You know the deal. If you like my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you very, very much for tuning in and spending a little bit of your day with me. Until next time, keep making shavings.